we're seeing our customers in today's market go through massive changes, whether they are merging with other organizations, acquiring other organizations. The workforce is changing. Longtime employees are retiring. New workers are coming in that come from a completely different generation. And we're seeing new technology that our customers are implementing to really support those changes. So when we work with our customers, we really focus on how do you get people in the organization, the frontline workers, to really be ready for the massive change that is occurring. So specifically, we take a look at what are the individual's core tasks that are really going to produce the intended outcomes for the organization. So what are the core tasks of value? And we really we want to understand their role and the context in the organization, and then develop the necessary interventions that are going to translate knowledge and provide the tools that allow them to produce those tasks more efficiently.